Hello everyone, today I'm going to share SAS University Edition, how to transpose data using Proc transpose procedure. Let's go. First, let's print out the data SAS help.class. This data have 19 records and 5 variables, name, sex, age, height, weight. And right now I want to convert the shape of this dataset from a short format to a long format. I will keep the name, and each variable I will call it a parameter, and each value in the variable I will call it value. So the sex, age, height, and weight will be in a column called parameter, and the male 1469 112.5 will be in another column called value. I use the proc transpose procedure. Data equal to SAS help.class means it will read in this data, and out equal to my class long means SAS will create a new dataset after it transpose called the my class long. And var sex, age, height, weight means SAS will transpose these 4 variables value, and by name means SAS will keep the name as is. So for the same name, it will transpose this 4 variable. Let's run this code. Now we can see we have total 76 rows and 3 columns. We keep the name column, and we have another column called underline name underline. It has sex, age, height, and weight. So this variable keep the original variable names. And the third column called COL1 is column 1. It keeps the value of each variable for each subject. So it has a male 14-year-old, 69 inches, and 112.5 weight. And right now I want to rename this name to parameter and rename col1 to value. I used a similar code, just add this one statement. So instead of out equal to my class long, I add left parenthesis rename equal to parenthesis col1 equal to value. So SAS will rename the col1 to a new name called value, and underline name underline equal to parameter. So SAS will rename the underline name to parameter. Let's run this code. Right now we can see the name is changed to parameter, and the col1 renamed to value. Now I want to change this dataset to its original dataset shape. I use the proc transpose procedure, data equal to my class long, out equal to my class short. So SAS will read in this my class long and then generate a new dataset called my class short. And by name means SAS will keep the name as is, and var value means SAS will transpose the value, and ID parameter means SAS will transpose the value into each parameter, and each parameter will become one column. Let's run this code. So right now we see this new dataset, my class short, have 19 rows, as same as our original dataset, and it has a name variable. It's all value, and we have sex, age, height, and weight. That's as same as the original dataset. The difference is for age, height, and weight, right now they are character value. Because we have a sex is a character value, so SAS converted all the numeric variables to character variable to be consistent with the sex in the my class long dataset. And now I want to drop the name variable. So I use the similar code and have an additional statement called parenthesis drop equal to underline name. Let's run this code. So we can see we drop the underline name variable. So we successfully transpose the data from short form to long form, and then successfully transform the long form data back to short form. Thank you everyone for watching. See you next time. Bye.